just seeing of course the Rangers are on Thedos. As you can see, it's basically and they find yeah. Giant skeleton remains. So yeah. Yeah. Basically this horned dinosaur looking thingy, whatever the hell this guy was. So yeah, yeah. Now go across Thedos, which kind of looks like the inspiration for Ecto on Stories Last Gen. I really wonder if Rian Johnson saw this movie when he was making the script for Last Gen. I was like, hey, this is what I want from Luke's Island base exile. And yeah, it looks. Here's where Raven is in a factory. Basically turns into basically an ooze factory, which no, and it does not turn into a spaghetti factory. So maybe a spaghetti factory. Yeah, I know a restaurant, right? Yeah, burps. So yeah, only instead of intestinal gas being passed. Except I think in one of the shows there's a fart monster. I can't think. Once you like try to defeat the Rangers via, I want to say like try to release like a poison fart or some poison fart clown or something. I can't remember. Yeah, fair enough. Maybe one of the super. As you see, is basically just show as at least again Ghostbusters 2 comparison. I'm gonna keep making Ghostbusters 2 comparisons until people get sick of it. Because my channel, I have the right to say that. I mean, and yeah. I mean, I just can't resist. I can't resist with the Ghostbusters 2 comparisons, you know? As everyone knows, in Ghostbusters 2, there's a whole thing with the ooze and the slime rising up in the sewers, especially in that when they went in the sewers, remember? So everyone knows. Well, yeah. And yeah, as you can see, here's where the Rangers, again, they're on Theos, and basically the water's kind of dried up, basically, and there's a actually wobbled. Oh, man. Ugh, got a yawn. Of course, and the water waves splash, so yeah. Tommy and Kimberly, they talk. Yeah, see? Yeah.